Thai Manja Fakasini Deputy CM Masang Orimes Debormas Akosong. Kembali. Tabuk sini buat ni komandan tu tanah lagu. Yang ratusan semua, kelompok boys, aku yang love kumpul, next, kumpul boys, komander is satu, ya 3 boys, Commander Peter Deborma, kumpul girls, Sahid Deborma, Bhai Tono ki evaluation hoy, overall commander. Salute. Tamo Bhai Tono हमारी Deborma ने भी बदल पूरे बदल तो यात्री girls लाइन में खपे फिर तुम्ही तो Salute. Yakni girls. Overall, going ibagi third tomorrow, first, second, third. The one nine ibagi champion from now. Thousand from now. Tabu perjalanan ekolog girls. Going leader of the Saiba Deborma. Salute. Ekolog girls. Led by Alpha Deborma Sapagals. Salute. Kumpul girls led by Naksi Deborma. Kumpul girls, salute. Now Yakni boys coming. Yakni boys led by Peter Deborma. Yakni Academy. Salute. Abang yang dulu Sasa Boys led by Daniel Deborma. Sasa Boys are coming. Salute. Sasa Boys, Sasa Academy. Now Kumpul boys coming, led by Kapil Deborma. Kumpul boys. Ahead of Wilawo Yakni girls, Sab Kumpul by Skat Kosong Kanzak. Lain yang kembali berat dari kami semua. Bungni leader Hamad. Let's give a hand. Betul, ya Pak Hamad. Thank you. Second prize goes to Ekolog boys. These will be given by our respected CEO, PPADC, Sri Chandra Kumar Janatia. And congratulations prizes. Now trophy for participation. To CRPF, this prize will be given by our Honorable Council Chairman, Sri Jagdish Deborma. Trophy for participation, 2022. This will be given away by Honorable Deputy CM, PTIDC Sri Animan Deparma. Next, now practice for volleyball. Volleyball.
Yes, second.
Yakli. Now for cultural. Another participation. Three academy got second in cultural performance. Second, Honorable MPC Sri Ganesh Deparma. Yakli by our second PT parade goes to Ekalapa Model Residential School. Third goes to Yakli Girls. Belai. Second position.